This delicious choripan is super easy to make and super delicious. Enjoy this recipe. Pour 300 grams or 1 1/4 cups of water in the mixing bowl. Add 100 grams or 1/3 of a cup of sourdough starter. Use a spatula to mix the sourdough starter with the water. Add 400 grams or 2 1/2 cups of bread flour. Mix with a dough whisk and add 8 grams or 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Mix all the ingredients with the dough whisk. Then, use your hands to mix well all the ingredients. Let the dough rest for 1 hour, covered with a towel. Stretch the dough to add tension to it and cover again. Let the dough rest for about 4 hours. Take the dough out of the bowl and make 2 balls of dough. Let the dough rest for about 10 more minutes, covered with a towel. To shape the dough, I will first add some paprika powder to add some flavor to the dough. Then, I shape it into a long roll shape, almost like a baguette, but I am letting my dough a lot more looser to have a softer crumb. Place the dough in a flour baker couche or a flour towel. Cover the dough well and let the dough proof. I will let this dough proof overnight, but you can only proof it for about 4 hours at room temperature. The next morning, transfer the dough to a pizza peel lined with parchment paper and score the bread across the whole surface of the dough. Place in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius with a pizza steel. Add some steam to the oven by adding some ice cubes to a hot cast iron inside of your oven. Bake for about 25 minutes or until your bread is golden brown. While the bread is cooling off, make a chimichurri sauce. Chop a bunch of parsley and 1 big garlic bulb and place it in a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of olive oil, 1 cup of lime juice, and some vinegar. I am adding red white vinegar. Season with salt and pepper. I like to add some red chili flakes. Mix all the ingredients well. The chimichurri has to be very liquid. Add more oil if needed. To make the choripan, cook the chorizo or sausage of your preference on the grill. Toast the inside of your bread. Add chimichurri to both sides of the sausage. There will be open flames due to the oil in the chimichurri, so make sure not to burn the sausage. To assemble the choripan, place the sausage on the toasted bread and add more of that delicious chimichurri. You can use any kind of chorizo or sausage for this recipe, like these German sausages that are my wife's favorite and that I am cooking in here too. In the end, enjoy this incredible sandwich. You won't regret it. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.